The Firecracker Futurity coverage on StallionEsearch.com is brought to you by the Louisiana Quarter Horse Breeders Association. And hello again, everyone. I'm Greg Thompson of StallionEsearch.com here in Vinton, Louisiana. Last night it was the 3-year-olds in the Derby. Tonight it's the 2-year-olds going postward in the Firecracker Futurity here at Delta Downs.
They are in the gate, all set and ready. And they're off in the Firecracker Futurity at Delta Downs. And One Fine V came away running for the lead. JLA Political Miss is up close. Here's Papacito putting in a bid down on the inside. It's down to these three. One Fine V on the outside has the lead. And One Fine V will win the Firecracker Futurity. JLA Political Miss was second. Third went to Papacito. And Chimura was fourth.
On the outside has the lead, and One Fine V will win the Firecracker Futurity. Owned by Sammy Valeriano. Owned by Jose Maria Garza and Maria Vasquez. Trained by Josue Ponce, saddled the first two finishers in this race. Winning rider was Victor Manuel Marietta Jr. We congratulate Victor and the whole team behind One Fine V.
Muy fuerte y para arriba, está muy montado. Right before they opened the gate, you know, she stood good and she took off good, and like the last 100 yards or so, she took off on him and took the win for it. Yes, sir. Yeah, I mean the filly, you know, she's a real good horse. We don't have trouble with her at all. You know, she was a bit nervous in the gates, but you know, she got it going. You know, the last 100 yards, you know, she kicked in, but you know, she's a real good filly. You know, you can handle her pretty good.
So what's next for the horse?
We probably need to get with the owners, see how she pulls up first. But Lone Star's probably the next. You know, that's for cash. Just depends how she pulls up, you know, and we'll go from there.
A reminder to save the date. August 5th and 6th, the 2022 LQHBA yearling sale at the Coshada Casino Resort in Kinder, Louisiana. That's August 5th and 6th in Kinder, Louisiana, the 2022 LQHBA yearling sale.